The Geum Creeping Avens plant, scientifically known as Geum reptans, is a delightful perennial that adds charm and beauty to any garden or landscape. This comprehensive guide will provide you with the knowledge and steps needed for successful growth. Understanding the Geum Creeping Avens plant. Before embarking on your Geum Creeping Avens growing journey, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the plant's characteristics, growth habits, and preferred growing conditions. This knowledge will help you create an environment where the Geum Creeping Avens can thrive. Preparing the soil. The Geum Creeping Avens plant prefers moist but well-drained soil. Prepare the planting area by removing any weeds, rocks, or debris. Incorporate organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, to improve soil fertility and drainage. This will create an optimal environment for the plant's roots to establish and grow. Planting Geum Creeping Avens. Dig holes that are slightly larger than the root ball of your Geum Creeping Avens plant. Place the plant in the hole, making sure the crown is level with or slightly above the soil surface. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots. Water thoroughly to settle the soil and provide initial hydration to the plant. Watering and mulching. Proper watering is essential for the healthy growth of Geum Creeping Avens. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Regularly check the soil moisture and water when the top inch feels dry. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the plant to retain moisture, suppress weed growth, and regulate soil temperature. Maintenance and care. Geum Creeping Avens is a relatively low-maintenance plant, but some care practices can enhance its growth and overall appearance. Regularly remove weeds around the plant to minimize competition for nutrients and water. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage prolonged blooming and prevent self-seeding. Fertilizing. Geum Creeping Avens generally does not require heavy fertilization. However, a light application of balanced organic fertilizer in early spring can provide a nutrient boost. Follow the package instructions and avoid excessive fertilization, which can lead to leggy growth and fewer flowers. Propagation. You can propagate Geum Creeping Avens through division or by collecting and sowing seeds. Division is best done in early spring or fall, ensuring each division has healthy roots and shoots. Sowing seeds should be done in a well-prepared seedbed or containers during the spring or fall. Enjoying the beauty of Geum Creeping Avens. As your Geum Creeping Avens plant grows and matures, it will reward you with its delicate flowers and attractive foliage. Take the time to appreciate the beauty it brings to your garden and share its splendor with friends and fellow gardening enthusiasts.